Did you just see that one go up? And that's it, Seaweed. Jump high.
Come on, fella. There he is. Yes. Oh, gosh. Oh, you went the wrong way.
He's still under that branch right
but
there.
he saw him.
It's still there, Seaweed. Come on. Yeah, I can see it. Just see like the thickest, lowest branch?
Yeah.
Oh, there, he just ran away from it. Ran, hopped. He's trying the other one now. Okay. You're a good boy, Seaweed. Oh! That is going to hop in a second. He's right near it. Oh, it went under. Oh-dee-doo. Hee-hee-hee. That's what I'll call this movie. The Creature from the Black Lagoon.
Oh! Oh.
I don't know who the Saint of Frogs is, Seaweed, but we'll pray to him the next time. If only he could capture the smell of this place. Oh, that's where he's hanging out, Seaweed. Whoa!